This is a video of quick Obs Scan. We can measure BPD and HC. Fetal cardiac activity is positive. A live fetus. Placenta is on anterior wall. Now we are going to measure abdominal circumference and also fetal weight. Here are fetal lower limbs. Now we measure femur length for fetal age measurement. We can also reveal fetal gender. The gender of this fetus is XX, female.
Now we are going to measure heart rate, which can be measured using M mode on every machine. The difference or distance between one crust to other crust can be measured, and heart rate